The Fox and the Grapes. A fox was wandering in the jungle on a bright sunny day. On his way, he came across a grape orchard. He saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a high branch. His mouth began to water. Just the thing to quench my thirst, he thought. He decided to jump and eat the grapes. He backed up, took a running start, and jumped. But he could not get high enough. He went back to his starting spot and tried again, but he could not reach the grapes. He tried and tried again and again, but just couldn't get high enough to reach the grapes. Finally, he gave up, and as he walked away, he put his nose in the air and said, "I'm sure those grapes are sour." Moral of the story is, it is easy to find faults in things when they cannot be achieved.